Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Dodge Journey battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal brush. Safety is paramount, so put on your safety glasses and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly set before you begin any work. This ensures a safe and smooth process. Now, let's locate your battery. In many Dodge Journey models, it's found under the hood, but some might have it in a fender well. Always disconnect the negative terminal first, usually marked with a minus sign, using your wrench. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. After that, remove any clamps or straps holding the battery in place. With the old battery disconnected, carefully lift it out. Remember, car batteries are heavy, so lift with your legs, not your back. Before installing the new one, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors. This helps prevent corrosion. Now, gently place your new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely. To connect the new battery, reverse the order. Attach the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal. Tighten all connections firmly but do not over-tighten. Reinstall any hold-down clamps or straps to keep the battery secure. Finally, start your engine to confirm everything is working correctly. You've successfully replaced your Dodge Journey battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.